Sneezes aren't merely loud exits, they are finely tuned reflexes that launch irritants from the nasal passages with impressive speed. A single sneeze can propel air up to 100 miles per hour and fling droplets several meters into the air. On average, people sneeze 2 to 3 times daily. Allergies or bright light can trigger longer bursts. Behind the scenes, nerves trigger the diaphragm and chest, while eyelids close to protect the eyes. Smart habits help curb the chaos. Carry tissues, sneeze into the elbow, and wash hands immediately afterward.